Hey everyone, if you happen to have a joypad that's making a constant ticking noise, it's likely a problem with the motors inside the triggers. I'm going to play it for you now. This is a very common problem. I am going to explain how to fix it. First of all, let's turn off the controller. Once we have turned it off, we will open it. At the meantime, and bring your ear closer to the controller when it ticks to understand if the problem is in the left or right trigger. This is certainly due to a fall because there are also some broken hooks. I can see it. All right here. You can already see the problem. This piece here should absolutely not have come out. I mean, you can see that it's in its proper place here, but not over here. This is undoubtedly the problem. Watch out for flat tires. Something that will definitely solve the problem is to disconnect this flat cable. If you disconnect this flat, the motor inside here will be disabled. The trigger continues to function, but some features, for example, those adaptive trigger functions that are found in various games like Astrobot, no longer work. However, for the majority of games, if you simply disconnect this flat cable here and close it back up, you can play without any problems. However, now that I'm seeing what has come out, I'll try to place it back into its proper alignment first and we'll see if it's going to function. Alright, so you can clearly see right here, there's this distinct half-moon shape, this particular opening. You'll need to carefully insert this specific gear. After that, we'll have to rotate it. And to put him in the position he finds himself in. So, that's how it is. Okay. Let's see if it continues to have the problem when turned on. So then let's go ahead and connect the battery, and then we'll see if the issue still persists. No. Okay, it's not making any ticking sound now. Here, there are these little clips that are meant to hold these sections securely, but they've completely broken off. This joypad must have certainly been thrown across the room after some really frustrating FIFA defeat. We'll put a drop of hot glue just to hold it still, and then we can close it back up. Okay, let's put all the screws back. And we have finally solved the problem.